If you've ever tried propping your phone up to film yourself and it slowly slides down mid-video, then this is going to be for you. This is the Technic 71-inch phone tripod and selfie stick. I like that it works in both ways. You can use it as a handheld selfie stick, or you can open the legs and turn it into a full tripod. It extends pretty tall, and it's just a bit taller than me, so it's great for filming standing up, recording your workouts, or even making classroom content. Doing group photos where you actually want everybody in the frame, it would be awesome for that too. When it's folded down, it's compact enough to toss in a bag, and it did take me a minute to figure out how to extend it all the way, but I promise it does. It comes with a wireless remote, which makes a big difference, so you don't have to sprint back and forth before the timer goes off. Just click it and you're good. It's lightweight, so if you have it extended all the way, I would definitely use the remote because each time you turn the camera on and off, it wiggles for a second. The phone holder adjusts to fit most smartphones, and you can angle it either vertical or horizontal filming depending on what you're creating. This is just a great accessory if you make content or you just want better family photos without having to balance your phone on random furniture.